Leyla and the Heroic City. "Wake up, Emir," said Leyla. "We are finally in Kahramanmaraş. It is a beautiful city in Turkey." Leyla loved traveling with her big brother. Emir smiled. "Yes, Leyla, we call it Maraş for short. It is famous for many things, but maybe the most famous is its wonderful nature." First, they went high into the mountains. The air was cool and clean. Leyla saw tall pine trees and tiny wildflowers. She took a deep breath. Next, they visited the big old Kahramanmaraş castle. It sat high on a hill, watching over the whole city. "Wow, it is so tall," Leyla whispered. Emir told Leyla an important story. This city is called Kahramanmaraş, which means heroic Maraş. The people here fought bravely long ago to protect their home. After history, it was time for shopping. They walked through the famous copper bazaar, Bakırcılar Çarşısı. Hammers were tapping everywhere. Leyla saw men making beautiful, shiny things from metal. They hammered and shaped the copper with fire. It was so loud. Then Emir said, "Now for the best part. Time for the famous Maraş dondurma. This ice cream is different. It is thick and hard to melt." The dondurma man played tricks, making the ice cream stretch and dance. Leyla laughed and finally held her treat. She had to chew it. As the sun set, Leyla thought about their day. The green hills, the heroic history, the loud bazaar, and the chewy ice cream. Kahramanmaraş was truly wonderful.